Hello everyone, in the previous video we studied about the electrovalent and covalent bonds. Now in this video we'll study about the polar and non-polar covalent compounds. Now polar covalent compounds are the compounds formed when the shared pair of electrons are not at equal distance between the two atoms. As you all know, covalent bond is the bond formed by sharing of electrons. When the atoms share the electrons are present at the center of the two combining atoms. Okay, but for polar covalent compounds, these shared pair of electrons are not at equal distance from the two atoms. The shared pair of electron is slightly drifted towards the more electronegative element. Electronegative element are those elements which have a tendency to take the shared pair of electron towards themselves. So, as a result of this, within the molecule, two opposite ends or two opposite poles are developed, and thus comes the name polar covalent compounds. Now we look at the examples here: hydrochloric acid, water, ammonia. These are polar covalent compounds. HCl, if we look at, hydrogen has 1 electron in the valence shell, chlorine has 7. Now hydrogen needs 1 to complete the duplet, chlorine needs 1 to complete the octet. They share a pair of electron, resulting in the formation of single covalent bond here. But chlorine, being more electronegative than hydrogen, takes the electron pair towards itself, as a result of which this chlorine atom acquires a partial negative charge and hydrogen atom acquires a partial positive charge. So here again, within the molecule here itself, two opposite charges are developed at the two ends. Okay, so this results in the polar nature of this compound HCl. Now if we talk about water, the two elements are hydrogen and oxygen. Okay, two atoms of hydrogen combined with one atom of oxygen. So hydrogen has 1 electron in the valence shell. Oxygen has 6. Again hydrogen has 1. Hydrogen needs only 1 to complete the duplet. Oxygen needs 2 electrons to complete the octet. So oxygen takes 1 electron each from the two combining hydrogen atoms to complete the octet. In return, hydrogen atom take 1 electron each from oxygen atom to complete their duplet, forming the water molecule. Now oxygen, being more electronegative, pulls the shared pair of electron towards itself and thus acquires a partial negative charge, and hydrogen atoms on the other hand acquire a partial positive charge. So again, water is a polar covalent compound. Now, non-polar covalent compounds are the compounds in which the shared pair of electrons are at equal distance between the combining atoms. Okay, these are equally attracted by the nuclei of the two atoms which are combining together to form the bonds. Now we look at the example here: methane CH4, carbon tetrachloride CCl4, or ethylene C2H4. Okay, all these are the examples of non-polar covalent compounds. Now starting with methane here, carbon has atomic number 6. So when you write down the electronic configuration, it is 2, 4. So we are concerned with valence shell. In the valence shell, carbon has 4 electrons. Okay, these are represented with 4 cross here. Hydrogen has 1 electron in the valence shell, represented with dot. So carbon needs 4 more electrons to complete the octet. Hydrogen needs 1 electron to complete the duplet. So carbon now shares 4 electrons with 4 hydrogen atoms, and completes the octet. Hydrogen atom on the other hand take 1 electron each from the carbon atom to complete their duplet, resulting in the formation of 4 carbon hydrogen single covalent bond. Okay, so this is how a methane molecule is formed. Now we take the example of carbon tetrachloride. Carbon again The valence shell has 4 electrons represented with cross. Chlorine has 7 electrons represented with dot. Carbon needs 4 electrons to complete the octet. Takes 4 electrons from 4 chlorine atoms and completes the octet. Each of the chlorine atom needs 1 electron to complete the octet. So it will take 1 electron from carbon atom and complete the octet. So now this results in the formation of the molecule carbon tetrachloride, CCl4. Thank you.